Whether you want to go to university or whether you want to do an apprenticeship, oh, it's a dream. It's honestly a dream.
I think nothing like high school. You just get taught like adults, basically.
If you've got a passion to be here and want to do it, the tutors are all brilliant. They'll help you do anything you want. They can get you pretty much anywhere you want to go in life.
That bond between the lecturer and the student is what really helps people improve and advance further in life.
I wasn't having a good time at high school. I was really struggling, and I'm doing 10 times better now. I didn't speak to anyone unless they spoke to me first, and now I'm much more confident, a lot more open to just being me and letting people see that.
I came out of high school with no GCSEs. Now I'm on a level 3 course and about to go to university, so it's changed a lot.
You do make friends easier at Cheshire College because there's a lot of people from different backgrounds and it's very diverse, so yeah, you find your people.
There's an exposure to so many people from so many different cultures and ethnicities.
I knew as soon as I came here that everyone is so nice, and I just knew that I'd fit in. I've definitely grown and made myself more confident and outgoing.
My confidence has skyrocketed. It's really going to help you to push your boundaries.